Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Gully and Gaza to reunite on one stage for Reggae Sumfest. The King of Dancehall, Vibes Cartel and the Gully God Movado are set to share the stage at the Caribbean's biggest stage show this July at Plantation Cove in St. Anne. The announcement was recently made via Reggae Sumfest's Instagram page with the caption, "A decade of rivalry, a lifetime of hits, and now the energy of two legends meeting on one stage in a moment set to shake dancehall history." 18 years in the making, this is a taste of Reggae Sumfest, where the culture, the music, and the legacy come alive. Can't wait. Tuff Gong Studios gets a facelift. The moment which signaled a new dawn for Tuff Gong Studios and the opening of the newly renovated space on Marcus Garvey Drive, which was spearheaded by the CEO of the Bob Marley Group of Companies, Cedella Marley.
It should be a very proud moment for us all, for Jamaica and our culture, the music, and where we come from with it, Very proud moment for us.
Now, Marcia Griffiths of the I3, who performed and toured with Bob Marley, was in awe of the renovated facility.
I'm just so pleasantly surprised, especially coming from way back before all of you here were born. I was in this place recording. It was just unfortunate that they denied my brother Bob Marley from entering this building. Yeah, but they allowed Johnny Nash in. But here we are today, and who owns this place?
Griffiths recorded one of her earliest albums, the Lloyd Chalmers produced Sweet Bitter Love, at the studio when it was known as Federal Records. The renovated space now features a co-working area, games, and vinyl copies of albums recorded at Tuff Gong Studios. However, the only change made to the actual recording studio, previously Federal Records, which once refused Bob Marley the opportunity to record there, was the addition of ambient lighting.
Preservation is a key, because for generations to come, this is supposed to be a historic place that generations to come can come. And this is like a museum.
In 1981, Rita Marley completed the purchase of Federal Records, Jamaica's first record pressing plant. Part of the company's operations was then moved from 56 Hope Road to Marcus Garvey Drive, where it continues to operate today. And on the international scene, a 35-year-old woman from Florida has been arrested on suspicion of attempted murder after shots were fired at Rihanna's home. The incident happened in the Beverly Hills area of LA on Sunday afternoon. Police identified the suspect as Ivana Ortiz. She is being held on $10.2 million bail. Officials have not cited a motive for the attack. Police confirmed to NBC News in Los Angeles that the star was home with her partner A$AP Rocky and their 3 young children. It is believed that 7 to 9 rounds from an AR-15 style rifle were fired from a car, with at least 4 striking the house. What appeared to be bullet holes can be seen in photos of the front gate, but no injuries were reported. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.